Hello and welcome to the tour for the Analyze domain script. Can give you a quick tour and overview of how the script works and what it can do for you and help you uncover some good quality keyword domains. So let's just hop right in. The Analyze domain script basically takes the exact match domain database a step further and analyzes the available keyword domains in a little more in depth. And by analyzing, what we do is for some of the higher search volume, higher quality exact match domains that we have in our database, we also analyze the top 10 competition in Google search results. And so for each keyword, we will analyze and grab a number of metrics and store them that you can search on to kind of pinpoint some of the domains, some of the keyword domains that have a higher potential for being built out into mini sites or full-fledged sites and have a higher degree of chance of ranking at the top of Google. So you don't waste too much time and effort going after a super competitive keyword if your goal is to build a site for SEO purposes. So let's just hop right in. I mean, it works like all of our other tools. You just enter in a keyword. We'll just use a good old dependable insurance. We'll do the search and it queries our database and we'll return the results here. As you can see, let's just scroll down a little bit. These are all the keywords with insurance in our database that have an exact match domain available. Now we have, it shows 50 results a page, and so we have 9 pages of results, so there's well over 400 possible keywords here. And then for each keyword we collect a number of metrics. So we collect the number of ads showing, Google AdWords ads showing on the first page of Google, the cost per click numbers, the AEPC, which is our own metric, and you can get more details about that in our FAQ and help section. Global exact match monthly searches, local exact match monthly searches. This is age less than or equal to 1, and this means these are the number of sites in the top 10 of Google that are a year old or less. So you know that chances are if you have a few sites or a couple of sites in the top 10 are less than a year old, then that could be a keyword that you have a chance of going after as well. Number of results in the top 10 that use the keyword and the title tag. Number of EMD is the number of exact match domains in the top 10. So our first result here is Tesco Insurance. If there was tescoinsurance.com, .net, .org in the top 10, we would sniff that out and show that here. PR less than or equal to 1. These are the number of sites that have a page rank of 1 or less in the top 10 of Google. Rank magnets is another one of our metric, and basically these are kind of sites that tend to rank for a lot of keywords like article directories, ehow.com, answer sites like wiki answers, answers.com, things like that. We check to see for the presence of those kinds of sites because they typically, if they are able to rank in the top 10 for a keyword, that's generally a keyword that you can go after because it's possible to outrank these kinds of sites a little more easily than it could be your average site. And then the AdSense is the number of sites in the top 10 that have AdSense on them. We have a database of about 3 million AdSense sites, and so we check the top 10 domains against for the search term against our list, and then we'll show that result here. And then there's ComNet and org domain availability. Then if you click on the link for the keyword, it's going to do a little query here to our database, and it's going to return the actual top 10 results from Google along with the link counts, the incoming link counts to the domain and the incoming link counts to the specific page that's ranking in Google. And so here is the top 10 results. You have the domain, the title tag, the page rank, the age of the domain, incoming links to the domain, incoming links to the page, and the position in the search results. Now, sometimes, like in this example, you won't see all top 10 results because sometimes there's whether it be a Google local listing or YouTube listing or a Google News listing or something like that, we don't collect those. That's probably something we're going to add here on the future, but right now we just return web page results. So that's why there's that little discrepancy there. And so altogether, these metrics help you determine how competitive a keyword is and whether or not it's worth going after. And we also give you some options to further filter and refine the results by clicking on the filter results link. And it's just a way to further refine your research process to try to uncover some of that diamond in the rough and little nuggets of gold running in the stream there. So that's Analyze Domain Script. We're going to have some more videos that go more in depth on how you can use this tool, but I think for the most part it's pretty self-explanatory and just gives you a finer degree of control in your domain hunting efforts. So that's Analyze Domain Script.